Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So this is day 5 and currently reporting from Delhi.
Bro, accept good too.
Accept. Bye. We'll see you soon. Bye now.
Okay. నా బ్యాగ్ ఎక్కువ రైట్ సైడ్కి ఉంది అనుకుంటా బ్రో. నెక్స్ట్ స్టాప్లో చూసుకుందాంలే. వెళ్ళిపోదాం బా. ఇప్పుడు షిమ్లానే 500 కదా, ఏదో వేరే రూట్ ఏమో బ్రో. Okay, so here is day 4 at Delhi and we are starting towards Kullu today. And other bike is also here. It's Royal Enfield Thunderbird X 500cc. Chaitanya will be the lead and these guys will be in between and I'll be the tail section because me and Chaitanya are connected via intercom. So బ్రో వీళ్ళు కింద వంచినప్పుడు బ్యాగులు తగులుతాయేమో. And it's 36 degrees at Delhi in the morning. It's so fucking hot. It would be great if these two guys also had intercom. It would be really fun. వచ్చింది బ్రో. ఆగు, వీళ్ళు రాట్లా. ఎన్ని కార్లు అయ్యా. వెల్కమ్ టు ఢిల్లీ. అబ్బా ఏం ట్రాఫిక్ రా నాయన. వాచిపోయింది. ఎంత 1 hour అయిందా మనం బయలుదేరి? 1 hour నేను ట్రాఫిక్లోనే. క్లియర్ రోడ్, అప్పుడు నుండి వస్తా ట్రాఫికే. అదే వెనకాల ఉన్నారు కదా. ఓకే, సో ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ రైనింగ్ సడన్లీ. We haven't worn our rain gears. ఓకే, ఏడాపుకుందాం. ఇంతమంది ఉన్నారు కదా. రోజు తింటారా? ఆకలేస్తుంది. ఓ సారీ బ్రో.
A few moments later.
పెట్రోల్ ఉంది కదా, చూపిస్తుందా? కిక్ కొట్టు బ్రో. బండి ఆగిపోయింది. వీళ్ళది రాయల్ ఎన్ఫీల్డ్. న్యూట్రల్లో పెట్టు. స్టార్ట్ కావట్లే. Back on track.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
So this is the 5th time that this Thunderbird stopping. I don't know what is the reason, but it's giving us a lot of trouble. ఆగిపోతుందా? అంతే, ఇంకా మెకానిక్ దాకా దొబ్బుకొని పోల్సిందే. ఇట్స్ గెటింగ్ స్విచ్డ్ ఆఫ్ ర్యాండమ్లీ మ్యాన్. లేదు, నువ్వు వచ్చే మధ్యలో ఏమన్నా మెకానిక్ షాప్లు ఉన్నాయేమో అట్లా చూసుకొని రా. यहाँ पे कोई बाइक रिपेयर शॉप है क्या? यहाँ पे कोई बाइक रिपेयर शॉप है क्या? सोनीपत तक जान बहुत दूर है ना यहाँ से? बीच में कोई रिपेयर शॉप वाला नहीं है? కొంచెం దీనిలో వస్తాను ఒకసారి చూస్తా. ఆన్ అవుతుంది బ్రో, గేర్ వేస్తే ఆఫ్ అయిపోతుంది. రా బ్రో కూర్చో.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Break out, I've got to see.
Okay, so I don't know where we are exactly, but we have completed very less amount of kilometers because of this rain, and the price over here is 98 rupees. The rain is like crazy, man. If you can see, it's still raining cats and dogs, and it's getting hard to maintain a good speed. Let's see. And one more thing, we lost a bag. This guy Bharat has lost his bag, which was on the tail section.
2024 I'm doing world record.
Okay.
It's 365 days around India. 60,000 kilometers. So what I'm practicing.
మనోడు ఇంటి దగ్గర నుంచి రామ్నగర్ దగ్గర కొట్టే లోపలే నీ మడం పెట్టిన అనంతపురం కొట్టే లోపల చచ్చిపోతా.
Okay, so completed 216 kilometers since morning. There's a change in plan. We'll be stopping in Chandigarh because these guys don't have proper rain gear for now, and it's raining really heavy, man. It rained till now. I just removed my rain liner and rain pants. I don't know how the hell is this guy doing ride to Ladakh on his bicycle, man. That's so cool, you know. He's been riding since 2 months, and we here are proud of ourselves. They're doing a ride from Anantapur to Ladakh on our motorcycles. But this guy is the real OG, man. Okay, so entered Chandigarh officially, and Shimla is 117, I guess. We think the other two guys have taken the other route towards Ludhiana, because when we opened map we could see them on the right. So I'm not sure what's happening. Chaitanya is calling them. Okay, so as expected they are on Ludhiana highway. Actually you should take a left towards Shimla, Chandigarh and Shimla, and straight towards Ludhiana and Jalandhar, I guess. They missed that turn, so they have gone 30-40 kilometers, 20-30 maybe. So what we told them is they can skip all this town and directly come inside towards Decathlon over here in Chandigarh. We have sent them the location, so we'll just meet them over there directly. సార్ చెప్తారా ఎట్లా పోయినారు మీరు, ఎలా వచ్చారు, ఎలా పోయారు, ఎక్కడి దాకా వెళ్ళారు?
చెప్పాలి కదా అయ్యా నువ్వు. చండీగఢ్ అన్నారు, నచ్చలు దిగేస్తున్నాము.
చండీగఢ్ లెఫ్ట్ అంత పెద్ద బోర్డు ఉండే ఆడ.
చండీగఢ్ ఉంది, ఉంటుంది. చండీగఢ్ బండ్లలో పోయి కూడా ఇట్లా ఫోటోలు దిగుతారా అనుకోవాలా. ఇలా వీడియో తీసినా ఫోటో తీసుకున్నా.
270 kilometers వచ్చినాం అంతే. Finished shopping here at Decathlon. Got some rain liners for them and I got a rain pant. So yeah, hopefully we'll reach Shimla today by night. Let me show you one thing. 7:17 in the evening and it's still bright and sunny. And we are currently at Chandigarh. చండీగఢ్. ఏంటి నవ్వుతావు? ఏంటి నవ్వేంటికి వస్తుంది? ఎవరు దిగిందా? భారీనే బా. ఏం బ్రో ఇంత ట్రాఫిక్? ఇంకా ఎంత ఉంది ఇట్లా? ఎక్కడ దాకా? ఓకే ఓకే. బా పైన చూడు రోజుకాయి. ఈమె ఇండికేటర్ వేసుకున్నా. ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? వచ్చేసినా.
And here we are. It says welcome to Himachal Pradesh. I don't know whether you can see this or not, but it says welcome to Himachal Pradesh, and from now the real adventure starts. I know it's late night and it's not recommended to ride in the night, but still we have to reach Shimla by night. We'll just click some pictures over here and then we'll leave. Man, oh man, this feels so great, man, to be here. I mean, the board itself makes us so happy. I don't know how we'll react when we reach Ladakh. Okay, we had this chart kind of thing over here and we are starting towards Shimla right now. The road is going to be very much tricky from here and we need to ride really carefully, and it's dark and I don't think my SD cam would record much, so I'll just wrap it up soon.
Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt all is said and done. I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
Crazy amount of fog, man.
Okay, so we are in Shimla officially, and man, oh man, I can't tell you how happy I am right now. The guard section was crazy, man. It made us tired and we were like dead bodies riding on the road. It's so dark and you can see all those lights in front of me. They look so gorgeous, man. We just stopped and just enjoyed the beauty of them for 10-15 minutes while coming, and now we are in Shimla and we have booked a hotel and we are trying to find a route towards that.
ఏం అర్థం కాలేదురా నాకు.
వెల్కమ్.
6 minutes 22 minutes చూపిస్తుందిరా.
6 minutes
6 kilometers. ఏరా
Okay, so we are gonna stay here for tonight and we are all dead tired. I'll continue the vlog in the morning. If you guys like the video, then do hit like, share and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, ciao.